mystery box from Logan Wade. What the hell did he send me now?
What is it?
I don't know. Let's see.
Can I see? There's another box.
Well, it appears to be some 6.5.
It's a speaker.
Yeah.
I already knew that.
Well, I didn't. You should have told me, Andrew.
I know.
You want to keep it a surprise like Logan did, huh?
Yeah. Like you did for me for my birthday. My first birthday.
That's great. People know how to pack when they send me stuff, don't they?
That's a good thing.
Blueberry, you gotta love it. That's awesome. Oh yeah. Focal 6.5. Blueberry killing it. Too short and GPB. That's awesome, guys. Absolutely awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Those things are gonna scream in the Cavalier. Looks like that's everything.
Great stuff.
Well, guys, thank you, and I'm gonna get them in the car in the morning. I'll let y'all know how they sound. Thanks a lot.